Welcome to LuxuryX, the channel dedicated to helping you unlock the secrets to a life of wealth and abundance. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's close to my heart, the fast-track formula to wealth. Forget the get-rich-quick schemes. We're talking about proven strategies and actionable steps that can transform your financial future. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that could change everything for you. Get ready to transform your financial future. Before we even talk numbers, investments, or side hustles, we need to address the most important element of wealth building: your mindset. Building wealth isn't just about luck or privilege, it's about adopting a growth mindset, a belief that you can learn, adapt, and achieve financial success. Many sabotage their financial futures with limiting beliefs. They think, wealth is only for others or I'll never be good with money. These thoughts become self-fulfilling prophecies. But wealth is achievable for anyone willing to work and develop the right mindset. Your mindset is like the foundation of a skyscraper. A weak foundation leads to a shaky structure. With a strong, positive mindset, you can build an empire of wealth. So let's break free from limiting beliefs and embrace your potential. Every successful entrepreneur started with belief in themselves. They didn't let fear or doubt hold them back. They embraced challenges as opportunities for growth. And that's what I want you to do. We'll dive into practical strategies to build wealth. Remember, your mindset is the key to financial freedom. Are you ready to embrace a wealth-building mindset? Let's do this. Now that we've laid the foundation with the right mindset, it's time to get crystal clear about your financial goals. What does wealth truly mean to you? Is it early retirement, financial freedom, or leaving a legacy? Define your why, the driving force behind your desire for wealth. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, smart goals. Instead of saying, I want to be rich, set a target like, I want to build a net worth of $1 million in 10 years. This gives you a tangible goal to work towards. Break down your big goals into smaller, manageable milestones. Clarity is key when it comes to achieving your financial aspirations. You've heard it before, and I'll say it again. You can't build wealth without mastering your cash flow. It's not about depriving yourself, but about being mindful of where your money is going and making conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. You can use a budgeting app, a spreadsheet, or even a good old-fashioned notebook. The key is to become aware of your spending habits. Once you have a clear picture of your cash flow, identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. Think subscription services you don't use, eating out too often, or impulse purchases. Redirect those savings towards your wealth-building goals. Aim to save at least 20% of your income each month. I know it sounds like a lot, but trust me, it's possible with the right budgeting strategies. Consider automating your savings. Set up a system where a portion of your income is automatically transferred to a separate savings or investment account each month. This way, you're less likely to spend it. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires discipline, consistency, and a commitment to making smart financial choices. By mastering the art of budgeting and saving, you'll be amazed at how quickly your wealth can grow. Chapter 4. Invest in high-return opportunities. Saving money is essential, but it's only half the equation. To truly build wealth, you need to put your money to work for you in high-return investments. Remember, inflation erodes the value of money over time, so it's crucial to invest your savings wisely. One of the most powerful wealth-building tools is the stock market. Investing in stocks allows you to own a piece of successful companies and participate in their growth. Don't be intimidated by the stock market. There are plenty of resources available to help you get started, including online courses, books, and financial advisors. Another lucrative investment avenue is real estate. Real estate has historically been a reliable hedge against inflation and can generate both passive income and long-term appreciation. Consider investing in rental properties, REITs, or even crowdfunding platforms that allow you to invest in real estate projects with lower capital. Diversification is key to managing risk in your investment portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographical locations. Remember, investing involves risk, and there are no guaranteed returns. It's crucial to do your due diligence, research thoroughly, and consider seeking advice from a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Chapter 5. Build multiple streams of income. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. What if you lose your job or your industry takes a downturn? That's why it's crucial to diversify your income streams. The more income sources you have, the more resilient your financial situation will be. The internet has created endless opportunities to generate income online. Explore side hustles like freelancing, e-commerce, online tutoring, or starting a YouTube channel. Consider creating and selling digital products like online courses, ebooks, or templates. These products can generate passive income even while you sleep. Affiliate marketing is another excellent way to earn passive income. Partner with businesses and promote their products or services on your website, blog, or social media channels. You earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. Don't be afraid to get creative and explore unconventional income-generating opportunities. The key is to identify your skills, interests, and resources, and find ways to monetize them. Chapter 6. Start a scalable business. While side hustles and online income streams are great, starting a scalable business can take your wealth-building journey to the next level. A scalable business has the potential to grow exponentially without being limited by your time or resources. Identify a problem in the market that you're passionate about solving. What product or service can you offer that provides significant value to your target audience? Focus on building a business that solves a high-demand problem or caters to a lucrative niche. Leverage technology to automate processes, streamline operations, and reach a wider audience. Embrace online marketing strategies like social media marketing, content marketing, and search engine optimization to drive traffic to your business. Remember, building a successful business takes time, effort, and dedication. Be prepared to put in the hard work, learn from your mistakes, and continuously adapt to the ever-changing market landscape. Chapter 7. Leverage technology and tools. In today's digital age, there's really no excuse not to leverage the power of technology to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Countless financial apps and tools can help you manage your money, track your investments, and automate your finances. Use budgeting apps to track your income and expenses, set financial goals, and monitor your progress. Consider robo-advisors for automated investment management. These platforms use algorithms to create and manage a diversified investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Explore AI-driven insights and tools that can help you make more informed financial decisions. Stay updated with the latest tech trends that can potentially multiply your income, such as blockchain technology, cryptocurrency, and the metaverse. Remember, technology is constantly evolving, so be willing to adapt and embrace new tools that can streamline your wealth creation process. Chapter 8. Network with successful individuals. You've probably heard the saying, "Your network is your net worth." It's true. Surround yourself with ambitious, driven, and successful individuals who inspire you to grow. Attend industry events, conferences, and workshops to connect with like-minded people and learn from the best. Seek out mentors who have achieved the level of success you aspire to. Their guidance, advice, and support can be invaluable on your wealth-building journey. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire. You'd be surprised how many successful individuals are willing to help others. Remember, networking is a two-way street. Offer value to others, share your knowledge and resources, and be genuinely interested in helping others succeed. Building strong relationships with successful individuals can open doors to new opportunities, partnerships, and collaborations. Chapter 9. Learn and adapt quickly. The world of finance and business is constantly evolving. What worked yesterday might not work today. That's why it's crucial to be a lifelong learner and adapt quickly to changing market trends. Stay informed about new opportunities, investment strategies, and financial technologies. Read books, listen to podcasts, attend webinars, and follow industry experts to stay ahead of the curve. Don't be afraid to pivot your approach if something isn't working. The ability to adapt and embrace change is a valuable skill in the fast-paced world of wealth creation. Remember, the only constant is change, and those who are willing to learn and adapt will be the ones who thrive in the long run. Chapter 10. Focus on consistency and long-term growth. Building true wealth takes time. There are no shortcuts or overnight successes. It requires patience, discipline, and a commitment to consistent effort. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes or risky investments that promise unrealistic returns. Focus on building sustainable wealth through proven strategies and long-term investments. Remember the power of compound growth. Reinvest your earnings, dividends, and capital gains to accelerate your wealth-building journey. Stay focused on your goals, even when faced with challenges or setbacks. The path to wealth is not always linear. There will be ups and downs along the way. But by staying consistent with your efforts and maintaining a long-term perspective, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Thanks for watching LuxuryX. I hope this video has empowered you with the knowledge and inspiration to take control of your financial future and build the life of your dreams. Remember, the journey to wealth starts with a single step. So take action today and start implementing the strategies we've discussed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on building wealth, achieving financial freedom, and living a life of abundance. Let's build a community of wealth-minded individuals who support and inspire each other on their journeys to success. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into specific investment strategies, explore passive income ideas, and uncover more secrets to unlocking your financial potential.